we are feeding all these little ducks and all these little geese corn. Because we're not supposed to feed it bread. Look at them running. Look how cute they are. Like the entire park is going to get us. Oh, look at this one's hair. He's so cute. Good job, Marley. But this is a great day, and it feels awesome. Oh, look how fast they are. Oh, shit. They're everywhere. No. Oh, my gosh. We just came across the lake. Or, not the lake, but the pond. To get this food. They are hungry. But okay. Just sharing some lovely nature. These lovely geese and ducks and whatever they are. They're going to eat them some corn because it's good for them.